All right, so under classwork and under Sci-Fi City, you not only have a slide that depicts what it should look like. Okay, so this X is because there's a girl here and you're not putting the girl in. Okay, you have your assigned slides, and then you have a Google Drive folder. Inside this Google Drive folder are the images that were used to develop this image. But you're going to notice one that's not an image. These are brushes. Okay, so I want to go through how to install these brushes. So the first thing I need to do is I need to download the brushes. And after I download the brushes, back in Photoshop, I am going to go to, pull this up so you can see, Window, Brushes, the drop down on the side, the little lines, you're going to choose Import Brushes. So my downloads, and I'm going to load that brush, and then those brushes are here. Okay, so you can see, go back to this image. You can see this is that watercolor. Can you see this? Yeah, you can see the brush outline. Okay, that brush is used right through here to create this look. That was a watercolor brush. Now, you are going to find with this assignment that there are no directions. The look on your face is priceless. There are no written directions. There are no video directions. Okay? The goal is to see if you can pull skills from the projects that you have done to create something that looks similar to this. I can tell you, you will use adjustment layers. You will use layer mask. Okay? You will use opacity. The goal is to see if you can create something similar to this. And you do not need to put the girl in. Sound good? All right, so that shows you how to install a brush. Obviously, you can ask questions as you have them.